Children's Day is indeed a festival for the kids. It's a great occasion for them to express themselves. They would certainly be pampered by the teachers and parents on this day with gifts and sweets. Most of the countries treat November 20th as Children's Day as per the Declaration of the United Nations. A few other countries have their own reasons for the Children's Day. For example, in South Korea, Children's Day was celebrated on May 5th. This was proposed by a writer called Dr. Bang to install a sense of freedom among the children. In Turkey, April 23rd is recognized as Children's Day. It's the date on which their General Assembly was formed. Now, India too has its own day for kids. And that's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, which falls on November 14th. Jawaharlal is not only the first Prime Minister of India, but a foremost leader in our struggle for independence. He was born in the year 1889 to an advocate named Motilal. His mother was Swarupa Rani. Being a rich family, Nehru was taught at the home by the private tutors. He went to England for further studies that included a degree in law. After returning to India in 1912, he began to practice law. Like his family, Nehru was also interested in fighting against the British who were ruling our country. Incidents like Jallianwala Bagh, where hundreds of people were butchered, have provoked Nehru to devote his life for independence. He worked along with Gandhi in the Indian National Congress that fought against British. When he became the President of National Congress in 1929, Nehru immediately passed a resolution for complete independence in a meeting held at Lahore. As the struggle for independence grew serious, agitations such as non-cooperation movement shook the foundations of British Empire. Nehru got arrested on several such occasions, but he has utilized even the prison for the benefit of the mankind. He has written two great books named Discovery of India and Glimpses of the World History from the jail. At last, the British had to succumb to the demand for our freedom. They had left India on 1947, but only after tearing it into two parts as India and Pakistan. Nehru was unanimously elected as the Prime Minister of India. With the newly formed country and newly achieved independence, it wasn't an easy task to manage a huge nation like us. Nehru, with his skills in planning, has led the national bravery. He gave importance to health and technology by initiating institutions like the AIMS and IITs. The word scientific temper was indeed coined by Nehru. He gave equal importance to irrigation and science. He declared the dams as the temples of modern India. Though he didn't believe in God, he loved the best aspects in Indian culture like the yoga. Nehru was acclaimed as an intellectual all over the world. He played a key role in forming the non-alignment movement which saved the world from the Cold War. Though a busy leader, Nehru always loved to spend his time with the children. In fact, he started wearing rose on his chest after a boy pinned it to him. Children called him Chacha Nehru as they treated him as their uncle. So, when India wished to have their own Children's Day, it immediately chose the birthday of Nehru, who loved and led the young generation into the future.
Hello children, it's a very nice occasion to wish you all and very happy Children's Day. Childhood is a beautiful enchanting vista, a journey of imagination. You will all be in a hurry to grow up actually, but now we as adults would say we want to go back to childhood. So any adult you meet will have a wish of going back to the childhood. So I wish that you enjoy your childhood. Let that innocence and smile be always there in your faces. Enjoy the journey of the childhood. Be good, do good, think good, and then please remember that you are the future of the country. So we have to give our best to you, and we are trying to give the best to you. But you, as the future citizens of the country, please become responsible and accountable for whatever you do. Grow up good, healthy. So let the joy, happiness and success be there in your life now and forever. Stay blessed, children. God bless you all abundantly always. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy your childhood. We love to see you back in the school very soon. So come back. We are missing you. Happy Children's Day, children. Thank you so much. Bye.
Good morning to all. In this precious day, always you should remember not to postpone any work to next day. Just follow from today onwards and see the progress of yours. Wish you happy Children's Day. Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all. We are all very glad to celebrate Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year with excitement and rigor. Children's Day is celebrated on the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India and a great leader. He loved children very much. They called him Chacha Nehru because of the love he used to shower in kids. Children's Day celebrations are done throughout the country every year. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always said that children are the future of the nation and hence they should be raised with love, care and affection. Children are undoubtedly valuable assets of the nation, hence they should get proper love and care along with good education and basic rights. With this, I conclude my speech and thank you one and all for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts like a great. With this, I conclude with a quote also. Children are the gifts of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. Have a great day. Happy Children's Day.
மாணவ செல்வங்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் தெரிவித்து, ஒரு குழந்தை ஒவ்வொரு மனிதனிடையும் எத்தகைய ஒரு சுவாசத்தை கொடுக்கிறது என்பதை சில வரிகள் ஒரு பாடலாக உங்களுக்கு நான் கொடுக்கிறேன். கால் முளைத்த கதிரவனே, கை முளைத்த காந்தல் நீ, கால் முளைத்த கதிரவனே, கை முளைத்த காந்தல் நீ, இம்மையும் மறுமையும் பொம்மைக்குள் என்று நம்பும் நடமாடும் பூந்தேவு நீ, நடமாடும் பூந்தேவு நீ. பூமி சோலையின் சுகந்தம் நீ, பூமி சோலையின் சுகந்தம் நீ, வாழு பயணத்தின் வசந்த நீ, வாழு பயணத்தின் வசந்த நீ. உனை பாடும் போது மட்டும்தான் கவிஞன் கவலையை மறக்கின்றான். உனை பாடும் போது மட்டும்தான் கவிஞன் கவலையை மறக்கின்றான். காடு மலை கடல் தாண்டி காற்றினிலே மிதக்கின்றான். காடு மலை கடல் தாண்டி காற்றினிலே மிதக்கின்றான். அதை நான் உணர்கின்றேன் இந்த நாளிலே. உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். வாழ பல்லாண்டு பல வளமுடனும் வாழவே, வாழ பல்லாண்டு. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
குழந்தைகள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம் மற்றும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் நவம்பர் மாதம் என்றாலே நம் அனைவரின் நினைவிற்கும் வருவது குழந்தைகள் தினம். இந்த குழந்தைகள் தினத்தை பற்றி சில தகவல்களை நாம் தெரிந்து கொள்வோம். இந்திய இந்தியாவின் முதல் பிரதமர், நவீன இந்தியாவின் சிற்பி என்னும் பெருமைகளுக்குரிய பண்டித ஜவஹர்லால் நேருவின் பிறந்த நாளையே நாம் குழந்தைகள் தின விழாவாக கொண்டாடி வருகிறோம். ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு அவர்கள் 1889 ஆண்டு நவம்பர் 14ஆம் தேதி அன்று அலகாபாத்தில் பிறந்தார். இவரது பெற்றோர் திரு மோதிலால் நேரு மற்றும் திருமதி ஸ்வரூபராணி அம்மையார் ஆவார். 1947 நம் நாட்டின் முதல் பிரதமராக பதவியேற்றார். 1947ஆம் ஆண்டு முதல் தம் வாழ்நாளின் இறுதியான 1964ஆம் ஆண்டு வரை பிரதமராக பணியாற்றினார். 16 ஆண்டுகளுக்கும் மேலாக இந்தியாவின் பிரதமராக ஒரு சிறந்த தொலைநோக்கு பார்வையுடன் பணியாற்றினார். குழந்தைகள் தோட்டத்தில் மொட்டுக்கள் போன்றவர்கள். தோட்டத்தில் பூக்கள் எவ்வாறு மலர்ந்து சிரிக்கின்றனோ அதே போன்ற குழந்தைகள் அனைவரும் எப்போதும் மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருக்க வேண்டும் என்று விரும்பினார். குழந்தைகளும் தெய்வமும் ஒன்று என கூறுவார்கள். தெய்வத்தை நாம் கண்ணால் காண முடியாது. ஆகவே தெய்வமான குழந்தைகளை எப்பொழுதும் அன்புடனும் கவனமுடனும் வளர்க்கப்பட வேண்டும் என்று விரும்பினார். நேருவிற்கு குழந்தைகளுடன் இருப்பதும் அவர்களுடன் பேசுவதும் அவர்களுடன் விளையாடுவதும் மிகவும் பிடிக்கும். நேரு குழந்தைகளை தேசத்தின் உண்மையான சொத்துக்களாகவும் பலமாகவும் கருதினார். எனவே இந்த குழந்தைகள் தினத்தன்று நாட்டில் உள்ள அனைத்து குழந்தைகளுக்கும் பாதுகாப்பும் கல்வியும் எல்லா உரிமைகளும் கிடைக்க வேண்டும் என்று நாம் அனைவரும் உறுதியெடுப்போம். ஜவஹர்லால் நேருவின் கனவை நிறைவேற்றுவோம். மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை குழந்தைகள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
East or West, we as children are always the best. Happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
Hi children, good morning to all. A small thought for you. If you plant honesty, you will reap trust. If you plant goodness, you will reap friends. If you plant humility, you will reap greatness. Happy Children's Day.
There is something which we can't buy. One of those is our childhood days that you will realize when you grow old. So enjoy your childhood days, be safe and enjoy. Happy Children's Day.
Okay. Childhood is the best time to learn the new things, set goals and to work to achieve it. Happy Children's Day, kids. Have a wonderful day.
Train up a child in the way he should go. When he is old, he will not depart from it. Happy Children's Day.
Hi students. Every children is a beautiful flower of the world. Let's put together and make the world beautiful. Happy Children's Day.
Happy morning children. Today is Children's Day, but not only today, every day is waiting for your accomplishment. Everyone, you are unique in talent. Use your talent in your own way and find out and encounter the treasure which is waiting for you. Happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Hi students. Children are God's gift. You are the future of India. It's your day. Have a fun and a heap of happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Childhood is a happy place to be in. Make good memories and enjoy your childhood days. I wish everyone a very happy Children's Day.
Dear children, happy Children's Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Dear children, happy morning to all. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. That habit surely will change your future. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Dear children, you are the image of the God. Let's celebrate spirit of your childhood on this day. Happy Children's Day.
Hi children, you are the future of our country. So on this day, I wish you joy and success. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, there is something we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of childhood. Happy Children's Day.
Dear children, you are the gift of God. Keep the child in you alive always. Happy Children's Day.
If you carry your childhood with you, you will never become older. My dear children, it's your day. Enjoy your day to the fullest joy. Enjoy. Happy Children's Day. God bless you, my dear children. Thank you.
Climb every mountain, ford every stream, follow every rainbow, till you find your dream. Happy Children's Day.
विघ्नेश इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के सभी बच्चों को हमारी तरफ से बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
எதிர்கால இந்தியாவை வல்லரசாக உருவாக்க காத்திருக்கும் மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். தடம் பார்த்து நடப்பவன் மனிதன், தடம் பதித்து நடப்பவன் மாமனிதன். நீங்கள் அனைவரும் உங்கள் வாழ்க்கையில் தடம் பதித்து நடத்திட என் வாழ்த்துக்களை கூறுகிறேன். நன்றி.
Hi cuties. A child can teach an adult 3 things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand all his might that which he desires. We adult would like to be a child forever. A very happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hi children, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. A very happy Children's Day to all. Thank you.
Hi my dears, imagine with your mind, believe with your heart, achieve with your mind. Happy Children's Day, enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hi children, I hope you all are fine. The world is giving you answers each day. Learn to listen. You can learn something new every day if you listen. A happy Children's Day all of you.
Hi children, may you always have a smile in your face and keep dreams in your eyes. Happy Children's Day.
The only dream that every teacher has is that her students are successful and happy, and that is what I wish for all of you. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. Happy Children's Day.
Childhood is the best time to learn new things. So set a new goal and start working for them. Thank you children. Happy Children's Day.
சாதனை அம்மாவிற்கு மகிழ்ச்சி, உங்கள் வெற்றி அப்பாவிற்கு மகிழ்ச்சி, உங்கள் வளர்ச்சி ஆசானிற்கு மகிழ்ச்சி, நல்லோராய் நீடு வாழ நீங்கள் செய்யுங்கள் முயற்சி. அனைவருக்கும் குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hi children, happy Children's Day.
சிரித்து வாழ வேண்டும், பிற சிரிப்பில் வாழ்ந்திடாதே. உழைத்து வாழ வேண்டும், பிற உழைப்பில் வாழ்ந்திடாதே. சிரித்து வாழ வேண்டும், பிற சிரிப்பில் வாழ்ந்திடாதே. Happy Children's Day dears.